Hi, my name is Rachel Edwards, Sales Manager of Terra Luxury. What are the costs associated when buying a home here in Barbados? First, I'd like to start by saying now is one of the best times to buy because prices have been adjusted and vendors are very motivated to sell. If this is a standard cash transaction, the first cost associated would be legal fees. Legal fees are between 1 to 2.5% of the purchase price plus VAT. If you require financing, there are a couple additional costs, which would be things like the legal fees for the bank, which you are required to pay. One way to save on these costs would be to use the same attorney for both the bank and for yourself in this transaction. There are a couple other fees associated, which would be things like the negotiation fee for the bank and stamp duty on your mortgage, but we can get to that in another segment. The second cost would be land tax. At the point of closing, you're required to pay the proportionate amount of land tax left on the bill for that year. So it's just as easy as that. If you'd like to make Barbados your home, please feel free to reach out to one of our agents and we'd be happy to help.